Hey guys, today is cook whatever's in the fridge day. And it's been a long day and a long weekend, which means I didn't get a chance to prepare for prepare dinner for the week. So this is what we found. Some mushrooms, pork sausage, bacon, and some super greens. Spinach, kale, chard, and another, what was it, Mizuna?
Yeah.
Something like that. Mizuna.
And today's September the 16th.
And today's September the 16th, Mexico's Independence Day.
What? What's that?
Alright, well, it was just a short video about today's dinner. What are you eating for dinner?